just died. And his last words were, "Go to hell."
People who need help with matters that can't be explained come to me.
Elise is in a happy place. And then I get this phone call.
I need help. These hauntings can be terrifying things. I should know. I've faced many evils in my life.
We learn about Elise's gift and also what she faced as a child.
No, Daddy! Who is that?
This was different, though. The haunted house is my family's house.
I've sworn to myself I would never go back because I let a demon into the house.
Open this door.
I realize if I don't do something about it now, he's gonna follow me till the day I die, and I have to go back and get rid of it.
If we can find out what it is, we can stop this curse.